I wouldn't mind rocking Sea Waste.
Hi. These are my new instruments. It's such a pleasure with my mouth, and then it makes these sounds.
Come over and hang out with us and just make some sounds.
Yeah. It's really nice. These actually chime things.
To help give it more sound.
Well, yeah, I guess.
Bounce off of it.
Stumble off of it.
Yeah.
Beautiful, yeah.
Well, anyway.
Very cool. So Redbird had a really good idea. Redbird had a really good idea. He came up with this idea that we should start a video collaboration group where we collab off each other's videos and ideas and whatnot, which we kind of do anyway, but this is like kind of an official way of doing it. It kind of gave me this idea that we should do, it gave me this idea, I think Redbird's idea kind of led to this idea that I just came up with, where we each make 3 sounds and then upload it. Then we start to edit it together, kind of a music video collaboration made with random sounds, or not, maybe musical sounds. But I started today by making 3 random sounds from just around the house, and maybe you want to do the same, or not, I don't know, just an idea. Check it out. If you want to make 3 sounds and upload it as a video response, whether it's you, Redbird, Amy Wamey, anybody else.
This is sound number 1.
Do it and leave it as a video response.
Okay, peeps. It's got us all collaborative YouTube channel where you can upload your stuff for future video editing.
This is sound.
Fly on Wall Fiesta channel. You know, it's cool to share your stuff and everything.
Can we sing for you?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yo, Fly on Wall Fiesta!
And you guys are just kicking some major ass. You're literally murdering people's thought waves.
What is Fly on Wall Fiesta?
Peace out, homies.
I just told Redneck there's a goose in the backyard. You! Where is he? Where you going now, buddy? Oh, there you are. What? Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's a damn goose. Hey, buddy. I know, it's a scary goose. Oh, boy. He's in the corner now. Can he fly and shit? You don't like to be filmed out, I guess. Oh boy. Oh. Come here, Goose. It's all good. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Oh boy. Okay. That's just the Goose. He's having a hard time with the flying bit.
Why in our backyard? What tarnation?
What tarnation is a wild goose? I'm on a wild goose chase. chasing. We've plumb out of goose food now. I don't think he can fly, so I don't. I don't want to scare him anymore. He got so scared. Well, but he got over here. He has to be able to get out of here. Goose. I let my goose loose. Yeah, it's not a goose, is it? But it's such a big, yeah, it's such a big duck though. Yeah. I mean, that's a bigger than normal duck. Alright, so you're not a goose then. We're white as if we're playing. You know, like I love the fucking white out on this tape. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that on a tape. And so there's some more like.
Oh yeah, that's pretty dope.
I think there's a couple. Oh, remember this guy? Oh yes, of course, Martinez. And this was. And who else is on this? I think Shannon and A.A. Levy. Who is that? That's Hey, wait. This one's on here. Oh shit! That's dope because I only have the instrumental, right? Oh, I don't know. And I remember I am playing instrumental, but I don't have the actual one with the vocals. Okay. Yeah. And the puke number. I forgot about the puke number. That was us too, right? Yeah. Usually, I'm more of a classic marketing guy, so On the Rocks, fuck Frozen. Stir, not shaken, but that's if someone else is doing it. So much, man. Viva the Space Jam. That mix is a little weird. I don't think I've ever had it with the salt. I don't know. I like the sweet and the salt together. I don't know. It's awesome.
But all he's doing is insinuating off of his articles. He's saying stuff that they're not even really saying. Most people don't bother to go read all that. So how can you use a link that says they don't really know what's in